Onions, 2 ways. We're gonna do bloomin' onion. Then we're gonna do cheese stuffed onion. Onions, 2 ways.
Cut the ends of the onions off. Cut straight through this sucker. Just cut it right in half. Jeez. Alright, we're gonna peel this fun stuff off. Should just peel off pretty easy. Boom. So these onions are set. What we're gonna do is space each and every one out, just like rings. We're gonna do a fun trick. This will be cool. You guys are gonna like it. It'll come out real nice. Oh, you know what you can make with one of these? Onion tower. Yeah, it looks like we're at Kobe's now, right? Wait. Woo-choo! Yeah, just kidding. Anyways. Alright, let's start it with the next onion. This is the bloomin' onion. You're gonna leave this side. You're gonna cut this side off. Just remember, the side that looks ugly with all the hair, yeah, Rocket Man, that's the side that stays. Alright, so this, you're just gonna cut the base off. Now we're gonna peel this junk off. Gotta get this off. We call this the paper. I guess, I don't know. I remember I bought a bag the other day. It had a bunch of, it was like a 40-pound bag of Sam's Club. They're selling it for like $5. I pulled it out and I was like, man, what a deal. As soon as I looked at it, man, 50 of those onions were like mushy and mashed. It was pretty nasty. But anyways, yeah, be careful with your onions. Gotta make sure you get good ones. Anyways, man, this is a pain. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take off the outer sheath. And there we go. Putting a little cut in it makes it easier. You can use one of these knives like this, or I can go behind me for like 2 seconds. Grab one of these jokers. These guys are nice. Cutco. Yeah, I fell for it. I bought one of the Cutco knives. So now what you're gonna do is cut here, cut here, cut here, and cut here, and here, and here, here, here. Just cut through, man. Just keep cutting, trust me. Just don't cut all the way through. Now this is your onion. It's gonna space out like so, and that's your bloomer. And then you're gonna put in the coating. I'll show you how to put the coating together, but make sure you keep that root on so this all stays together so you can have good presentation.
Flour, cornmeal, salt, cheese, slice. Ah, I lost my finger. Done. Onions.
Put it upside down. It'll be a lot easier. Slip dip. Make sure the thin slice. Done. Slip. Now what we're gonna do, coat that in eggs. And put it in our flour mix. Boom, done. Stick it in that fryer. Fill them up. Fill them up. Hey. Boom. Cheese stuff. Onion ring. Let's do another one. Yeah, with this whole COVID-19 thing going on, man, I've been making some crazy stuff, but you know how it is. Eventually, it goes, right? I don't know. Anyways. It's gotta go somewhere. Buy all that food. A lot of people are doing like banana bread recipes and junk, but hey man, I stocked up on onions. About 50 pounds of onions. I mean, it's the only problem with quarantine. Everyone smells your breath. It's not too bad. You can ask my roommates in college. It was pretty bad. Cornmeal. 2 eggs. Oh man, crap. Oh, done. Stir it up. Fork. Spoon. Tape. Flip the spoon around. Tape the fork on it. Done. Mix it up. Egg wash. Cornmeal. Onions. Oh, onion fly. Eggs. Soak it. Cornmeal. Eggs. Soak it. Cornmeal. Oh, cornmeal flour. Set it on the side. Repeat. Eggs. Cornmeal. Oh, cornmeal flour mix. Eggs. Cornmeal. Oh, you know what I mean, guys. Cornmeal flour mix. Same difference. It all tastes the same, right? Alright, so now we're going to just do our bloomin' onion. Get that all eggy. Oh, man. Some onions broke. It's okay. It all goes down the same, right? Well, I'm not working at Outback, so... This is COVID-19 bloomin'. Show it to your family and they'll be like, whoa, man. Yeah, not really. But anyways, eggs. This is nice and messy. Cornmeal. Man, I lost half my...
Fry time.
Bloomin' onion first. Ah, that's so hot. Not really. Alright, look at that, man. Look at that. Alright, so we're just gonna watch that. I'm just gonna close up on that. Whoa. Oh, dude. No. On the camera. Alright, dudes. We're at like 375, maybe 25 You can use the candy thermometer on that to get the temp. We're gonna turn it down just a tad. So we're looking fresh. We're just gonna leave it there. We're gonna leave it there. Alright, you can see it getting kind of golden brown. Give it a tap. Yeah, it's looking fresh. Dude, this smells really good. Like, really good. Alright, anyways, we're gonna flip that bad boy over. Oh, dude, look at that. Crispness. Dude, that looks like an octopus. Man, that's pretty intense. What do they call us the next Outback now? That's what we should call the movie, or the video. Outback Bloomin' Onion. Yeah, that's a good idea. I was thinking about COVID-19 blooming, but, whatever. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, we got the first fry. Oh, dude, look at that. Nice. I'm gonna throw it on there. Get some seasoned salt. Throw it on there. These are cheese onions. Throw our cheese onions in there. Broken onion pieces. Waste not, want not. They're from the Bloomin' Onion. They'll taste just as good. Guys, remember, this is hot oil. It's super hot, so be careful. Don't let your oil get too hot or too cold. You see how we got the bubbles? That's a good sign. See how, well, you can't smell it, but I can smell it. It ain't smelling burnt. Instead, it smells like Popeyes in here, dude. It smells pretty fresh. This is gonna be serious onion breath right now, man. Hey, but what you do is you just let that onion sit about an hour, or not an hour. Jeez, forget that junk. No, more like a minute. That way you can deep fry it again, the other sucker. It'll get it extra crispy. Instead of just doing the cornmeal, you can even add on some, whatchamacallit, panko crumbs or something like that. Yeah, dude, this looks pretty good. Alright, dogs. We're gonna salt these bad boys. Camera ran out of power, whatever.
This recording stand is getting in the way. Check it out, makeshift recording.
Alright, gotta fry this bad boy again. Not too hot. Yeah, let's fry him up. Time to fry this bad boy up. Ah, let's use the hand. Done, done. Oh man, I'm breaking it. Ah! Alright, dude, fry him up. Alright, so, just let that sucker sit. Should take like a few minutes. See, these bubbles is good. Bubbles are good. Bubbles. Yeah, you want bubbles. If it doesn't have bubbles, that means your oil's not hot enough. But you can see how we don't have smoke. That's good, so we're not too hot. So usually about 375 to 425 is the temperature you're looking at, and that's about where we're at, spot on. So we're just gonna stare and watch this. Everyone likes watching fried food, so we're just gonna be silent. Ah, just kidding. Yeah, it's not that hot. Dude, look at that golden. That's getting pretty golden. What do you guys think? Yeah, that looks good. Sweet, we're done. Alright, that was our second fry. Now we got some crispy. Look at that dog. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna let this pan out, dry out, clear out, stay out, be out. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, so now, done.
Bloomin' Onion. Fancy squeeze bottle. It says secret sauce, but it's really just ranch. Give it a shot. Man, that came out really bad. That looks good, right? Oh yeah. We'll probably garnish it with some parsley and oregano. Parsley rain. Dog, thanks for watching. Hey, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you want me to shoot anything or cook anything new, just leave a comment in the section below and I'll make it. Thanks.